Hi, welcome back to Home Food Best Food. I'm Bhavna Jagannatha. You're watching third episode of 5-minute recipe series that is healthy avocado brownies. I made this healthy eggless whole wheat avocado brownies because I love to eat chocolate, but I also want to stay on the healthy side. We are going to prepare together decadent, sweet, chocolatey, egg-free, butter-free, oil-free, yummylicious avocado brownies. Let's see the ingredients and the health benefits. Avocado packed with monosaturated fats and helps to maintain healthy cholesterol level. I'm replacing sugar with honey as it has a better glycemic index. I'm replacing all-purpose flour with wheat flour because it has good fiber content. And cocoa powder helps in lowering the blood pressure. Let's start the recipe. First step is to mix wet ingredients together. Cut open avocado and scoop the seed using a spoon. Chop the avocado. Let's make the flaxseed extract. To 2 tablespoons of water, add 1 tablespoon of flax seeds and mix it well. Next, in a mixer jar, add chopped avocado, flaxseed gel, half cup of honey, half cup of yogurt and blend it for few seconds in a blender. Let's mix the dry ingredients now. Onto a sieve, take 3/4 cup of whole wheat flour and half cup of cocoa powder. Add 1 teaspoon of baking powder and sieve the ingredients into a bowl. Mix the ingredients well. This prevents lumps formation. Next, add wet ingredients and mix it until it forms a batter. Do not overmix the batter. Mix using cut and fold method. Next, add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1/4 cup of chocolate chips and mix it well. Let's prepare the mold now. You can just apply some butter and line it with 2 strips of parchment paper as shown in the video. Once the mold is ready, you can transfer the batter into the mold. Pat it several times, level it, and then place in the microwave for 5 minutes on full power, that is 1200 watts. Let's switch on the express 5 minutes button. It's going to go for 5 minutes and the countdown starts now. You can also bake it in the oven at 350 Fahrenheit for 35 minutes. The brownie smells amazing. Cool it completely before slicing it. Dust some sugar powder onto it. Now it's time to cut. I'm cutting it 3/4. Baking time may vary depending upon your microwave settings, so please check your microwave settings before baking. They look amazing, isn't it? Fudgy and yummylicious. It's 100% healthy. Yummy! If you like this recipe, then please share it with your friends. Subscribe to my channel. Thank you.